Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to achieve the green eyeshadow look that you saw in the intro. I already did my eyebrows off camera, so we are going to go ahead and prime our eyes with the Smashbox Photo Finish Eye Primer. And also we are going to use the Subculture Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. We are going to use the color New Wave to start our crease for the foundation of the eyeshadow. Since this is a first impressions tutorial, I'm also going to be using the eyeshadow brush that was supplied with the eyeshadow palette. So I've used this palette before, and I've noticed that I have to dab the eyeshadow because there is a lot of fallout. You want to prevent a lot of fallout so you won't mess up all the other colors in the palette. And also with this palette, the colors are pigmented, but they are very hard to blend out. So when you use this palette, you have to be able to put the time into it to blend out so your eyeshadow will be seamlessly, because it does initially come out as streaky. So just making sure to blend in. So now we're going to go in with Fudge on top of the New Wave to darken it out. But yeah, like I was saying, just make sure to blend it out really good. And you saw me blowing on it just to stop the fallout from spreading to the other colors. Yeah, as you can see right there, it's really hard to blend out, unfortunately. I love the colors in this palette, but you just have to make sure that you have time to put in work to blend the colors out. I'm turning to my window because I can get the natural light so I can see better, basically. So if you see me turning, that's what I'm doing. And I'm still blending it out because I want this to be seamless. We are going to go with Electric. It's a goldish eyeshadow with reflections of green in it. So you might have noticed that I sprayed my brush with Fix Plus spray. That's in order to get a very pigmented color for that gold reflective color for my lid. And also you're noticing that I am patting on my eyeshadow to my lid, and that's just to also intensify the pigmentation and also make sure that there's no spreading of the colors anywhere where we wouldn't want it to be, such as like underneath the eye or anywhere else. So yeah. Alright, now so we are going to go with the color Untamed. It's somewhat of a army green color, a little olive also. So we're just going to put that to darken up the edges. So like I said before, blending is key with this palette. So just making sure that your colors are transitioning correctly and blending right, so you don't want to look like a hot mess, okay? So blend, blend, blend. So right now I'm just going back with the color Fudge, I believe it was. It was that dark brown color that I used in my crease to just make sure that everything is blended and seamless. So I'm just going back in my crease. And now I'm going to go in my Morphe palette and use the highlighter shade to do the arch of my brow. So with this, I kind of used a lot. I was a little heavy-handed with the highlighter for my eyebrow. So you can definitely tone it down. So now we are done with the eyes. We're going to go with the face. So I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer on my face and just massaging that into my skin lightly. So I'm going to go in with my Clinique foundation in the color Golden and just spread it around all around my face. I can't talk right now, but yeah, I'm just spreading it around my face. And then we're going to use a beauty blender to blend it out. So now that we're done blending, we're going to go in with the NARS Creamy Concealer. I'm just going to put little triangles underneath my eyes, my nose, and my forehead. And this, I'm turning up, but I end up messing myself up. I just hit my head. Oh my god. Oh no, Jesus. Wow. Hot mess. Okay, now that I just got a concussion, let's get back to the makeup tutorial. We are gonna blend out that concealer that we applied. Alright, so we are going to go in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit. I got this at Marshall's for like $10. So we are going to apply that to my cheeks and do contour. Get that face snatched because, you know, I have a chubby face, so I need all the help I can get. So right now I'm just going in with my e.l.f. brush. e.l.f. What the heck is that? e.l.f. brush, and blending out that contour that we just made. And when you blend it out, make sure to go upwards. I was just taught that, so I don't know if that's a real thing or not, but just go upwards, y'all. I see a difference. So now we are going to go with our Sephora, the powder, because whenever you have a cream, you have to make sure to set it with a powder so it stays in place. And I'm just going to do my neck and brush it down so it looks natural-ish. Because this makeup look is not natural, but you know, so it don't look crazy. And I'm also going to do the top of my forehead. Oops, and I forgot to set my cream concealer while I just preached to y'all to always set your cream with a powder. I forgot, so I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And this is wonderful for women of color because it does not give that much flashback. And I do not bake, I just simply dab it on there as much as I think I need and then just immediately brush it off. And I also put setting powder underneath my contour so that if I messed up, I can make it just more sharp. So yeah, I didn't really wait that much time to leave it on because I don't want flashback. So I'm brushing it off right now. And now we are going to go with our Hourglass Dim Light powder just to finish everything off. This gives me a wonderful glow and it somewhat makes the skin flawless and natural looking. And then we're gonna go in with blush. I have this Flirt blush. I've had this forever and I think I got this at like Kohl's or JCPenney's, but I love this blush so much. Might as well add it to the nose, you know, we love some highlight. So now we are going to spray our face with Fix Plus to tone down some of all of those powders that we just put on our face. A trick that I learned how to apply a highlighter is to spray your face with Fix Plus and then wait till it's almost dry and then put your highlighter on. That causes the blinding effect. So yeah. So I'm going in the green color Untamed and I'm putting it in my lower lash line just to smoke up the under eye. I can't remember if I put eyeliner on, but this is just an effect I usually do if I don't want to put eyeliner on, to smoke it up and it matches the eye look. Alright, so I'm going to attempt to put eyelashes on. I am not the best at them, but before I put them on, I usually go in with my Better Than Sex mascara and then put mascara on my real lashes, so that when I put my fake lashes on, they'll usually just plop to the natural form of the lashes usually. But I am no way a connoisseur in putting on lashes. But right now, I was not very sure of the lip color that I chose, but I'm going in with a very brown lip liner. I was going for a natural lip, but you'll see. And I'm going in with a NYX lipstick, and it's like a light pink tan, and I was still not pleased with it. So I'm gonna go with my favorite new lip gloss of the fall or winter, whatever season we're in. It's the Becca Crystallized Lip Gloss, and I'm absolutely in love with it. I use it every day, and I have it in 3 colors, so I love this lip gloss. So this is the finished look, and I hope you guys enjoyed.